Welcome back to Auto Hub Info, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you love cars, tech, and all things automotive, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Kia Picanto. This compact city car has been a favorite for years, and now it's back with a refreshed design, upgraded technology, and even better efficiency. If you're looking for a small car that packs a big punch, this might just be the perfect choice. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Kia Picanto has been given a major facelift, making it look sportier and more aggressive than ever. The front end now features a bold, redesigned grille with a sharper and more futuristic LED headlight design. Kia has also updated the bumper to give the Picanto a more dynamic presence on the road. It may be a small car, but it definitely doesn't look boring. Moving to the side profile, the car retains its compact dimensions, making it perfect for tight city streets and easy parking. The new alloy wheel designs give it a more premium touch, and Kia is offering a range of fresh color options to appeal to a younger audience. At the back, the taillights have also been redesigned with a sleeker LED pattern, and the rear bumper has been slightly reshaped to enhance its sporty look. Now, let's step inside and see what Kia has done with the interior. One of the biggest updates comes in the form of technology. The new Picanto gets a modernized dashboard with a larger infotainment screen. The 8-inch touchscreen display now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity seamless and hassle-free. The digital instrument cluster has also been improved, providing a more premium and high-tech feel inside the cabin. The seats have been redesigned with better cushioning for improved comfort, especially for longer drives. Despite its compact size, Kia has managed to maximize space efficiency, offering decent legroom for both front and rear passengers. The use of higher quality materials on the dashboard and door panels gives the Picanto a more upscale vibe compared to its predecessor. Under the hood, Kia offers a choice of efficient engines to keep fuel consumption low while still delivering a peppy drive. The base model comes with a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine, perfect for city driving with its excellent fuel efficiency. For those who want a little more power, there's also a 1.2-liter 4-cylinder engine that provides better performance for highway speeds. Both engines are available with either a manual transmission or Kia's automated manual transmission for those who prefer an easier drive. The 2025 Picanto may be small, but it comes packed with safety features. Kia has added advanced driver assistance systems, including lane departure warning, forward collision avoidance, and even rear parking sensors with a camera. These features are not common in this segment, making the Picanto a leader in safety among city cars. One of the standout features of the new Picanto is its improved ride quality. Kia has worked on refining the suspension setup to make the car more comfortable over bumps and rough roads. The steering is light and responsive, making it incredibly easy to maneuver in urban areas. Whether you're navigating busy streets or squeezing into tight parking spots, the Picanto makes driving stress-free. Another highlight is the fuel efficiency. With rising fuel prices, having an economical car is a huge advantage. The new Picanto offers impressive mileage, making it one of the most cost-effective options in the market. Whether you're using it as a daily commuter or a first car, the low running costs make it an attractive choice. For those who love a bit of sportiness, Kia also offers the GT line variant. This version comes with more aggressive styling, including sporty bumpers, larger alloy wheels, and unique interior touches with red accents. While it doesn't get a performance boost, it definitely adds a fun and energetic look to the car. Customization is another strong point for the Picanto. Kia allows buyers to personalize their car with different trim options, upholstery choices, and exterior color combinations. Whether you want a classic and sophisticated look or a bold and eye-catching design, there's something for everyone. Technology lovers will appreciate the additional smart features in the new Picanto. The car now comes with keyless entry, a push-button start, and even an improved sound system for better audio quality. Kia has also included USB-C charging ports and wireless phone charging for added convenience. So, who is the 2025 Kia Picanto for? If you're a city driver looking for a compact, stylish, and fuel-efficient car with modern features, this is a fantastic option. It's also perfect for first-time car buyers, students, and anyone who wants an affordable, yet well-equipped vehicle. The combination of Kia's reliability, safety, and practicality makes it a smart choice. When it comes to pricing, Kia has managed to keep the Picanto competitive. While exact prices may vary depending on the region and trim level, it remains one of the most budget-friendly cars in its class. Given the features and improvements, it offers great value for money. Overall, the 2025 Kia Picanto is a small car that delivers big on style, tech, and efficiency. With its updated design, smarter interior, and improved safety, it proves that even compact cars can be exciting. Kia has taken an already popular model and made it even better, making it one of the top choices for city driving. What do you think about the new Kia Picanto? Would you consider it as your next car? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Hub Info for more awesome car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.